Greetings. We're going to talk today about the process of getting the windshielding or the walking survey for your community health assessment. This is based on the handout that we have that describes the process, as well as materials from Kansas State. And here we are in section 21 of chapter 3 that describes what are windshield and walking surveys. And we hope that you will read this carefully to get a sense of the background. Fortunately, it's only a couple pages long and describes how you go about this. And then we also have the materials on this that will describe exactly what you do and that sort of thing. So first off, you're going to walk into the community like you've never seen it, and you want to give a first impression, and then you want to explore those first impressions. Within the Kansas materials, you will see different prompts that they may use for you to look at, and I suspect that what you're going to get, besides this, is a sense of something that interests you that maybe you've never noticed before, or something that you have seen before. But follow up. If you find yourself intrigued with public transportation, take a bus. Try to sign up for something. You're welcome to talk to people, but that's not necessary. And it's going to take you about an hour and a half, something like that. Please take at least 10 pictures. It's described in this handout sort of how to go about this as a survey method, but also then what you need to get to fulfill the assignment. You will be getting everybody will be getting certain photos that they have as sort of standards. You will go to the town center, whatever that is. You will look at a recreational feature, however that's defined in your community. And then when you finish this assignment, or when you finish gathering the data for it, you will make what's called a JING, or an audio-visual screencast recording. We have told you how to go about getting a JING, which is specifically a free screencast capture program. You can also use PowerPoint or other sorts of things. What you do need to know is you cannot exceed 10 minutes, and if you do a JING, that will mean that you do 2 parts, because each video for JING is limited to 5 minutes each. And you will make your video, which will include pictures, some slides that you've made, that sort of thing, to introduce your group members to your community. Then at the end of this, you will upload it to Blackboard, and then other members in your group will review this with you and give you some feedback, friendly, collegial feedback, but just information about what they thought was interesting in your community, what they think you should follow up on, that sort of thing. These materials will be used in your project on your community health profile. And so these pictures that you're taking will be useful for you as you try to later show people more about your community, what problems there are, what assets and what strengths there are, and give people a sense of it. We hope that the materials here have made it clear. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thanks.